Gestures and motion. Gesture navigation. To go to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. To see your recent apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold. To go back to the last screen, swipe toward the middle from the left or right edge. To switch between apps, swipe left or right at the bottom of the screen. To launch the Google Assistant, swipe up diagonally from the bottom of the screen. To open quick settings and notifications, swipe down from the notification bar at the top of the screen. Gesture settings. To access gesture settings, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice, then select the settings icon. Swipe to and select System. Select Gestures. To switch to 3-button navigation, select System Navigation, then select 3-button navigation. To enable gesture features such as Power Touch, 3-finger screenshot, fast flashlight, or quick capture, select the desired feature. Select the switch to enable.